Okay, so somebody sent me a box. It's been following me for a few years, and I don't want to get in the habit of like just taking boxes, but I've known this guy for a while, and like I don't. It could be a bad thing that I would get these boxes and they would just be full of some really disgusting shit. So this is I started to open it. I figured I may as well do it on camera because it it looks like there's some funny shit in here that I like, and there's beer in here too. So I knew he was gonna send beer, so I knew that this is not gonna be a horse's head or something. We've been talking about some Subarus, the real cool stuff over the direct messages. So I have not got into the whole box. I did open it. I saw that. Took me a second to realize who that was. That apparently is Lynn Thompson. Okay, and I don't know if this is fan fiction. It may be fan fiction. It may be a funny story that he wrote, and it's. I don't think you guys have the patience for me to read 3 pages. So that'll be for my me time. All right. So first, I did take some of this out, a few things, but I haven't really dug into it. So here we go. We have. I don't know if there's gonna be any. There's drugs in here. I'm gonna have to cut this one short because we're not doing anything illegal here. Am I right, guys? All right, we got some poker chips, Deadwood Hotel and Casino, Las Vegas, Nevada. Okay. We got some candles. We got chips. This is some sort of looks like something you would wear to the Ren Fair. I don't do a whole lot of the Ren Fairs, but some people do. I don't know if you wear that to the Ren Fair. I'm just, it looks like a Ren Fair thing. We have one of these. I have one, and I bought it years ago, and I never made a video about it. I know. Now I have 2. Okay. Oh. Will I cut myself? You never hold them like this because this could always fail. They say that about kukri sheaths. This is a little tacky. I don't know what this is. Oh, fuck. What's the trick here? What's the trick? What's the fucking trick to the scabbard? What if I... Yeah, this fucker's in here. Ah. One of these. I have another one here. So Jason Reviews Records sent this to me years ago, and I recently sharpened it, and I shouldn't have been grabbing in there because I misplaced the scabbard here in the garage somewhere. Not a very good knife throw. Okay, so it's just fucking in there. Okay. Here we have some. What do we got here? Oh, this looks like some grips. Is there going to be a unlicensed firearm in here? I don't think so. If there was, I'd cut the video short. There's some grips. These, I forget what the tar shit is that they put on there. So, the Walmart special. A flint fire starter. Okay. Got some more one of these doodads. I think this was a way for him to get rid of stuff, huh? What do you think? Okie dokie, we got some more candles. Another chip. I wonder if these are worth anything. Same thing in here, okay? It'll look good on my belt. Okie dokie. We got a compass on a clasp. I guess you could put this on your backpack. It's a little Where's the fucking camera at here? One of these guys. I don't know if this will go on YouTube. Will this make good YouTube content? Or is this going to be the one where people unsubscribe? There is some razor blades that he sent me. I don't know where those are. I think I left them inside on the counter where the kids are, you know, the wife's in there. She'll take care of it. And finally, the crown jewel. Let's try some warm beer. It's like a warm Miller High Life. That's a compliment. And it's a sixer of these guys. So, like I said, I don't really. Oh, here's the razor blades. I didn't leave them in there with the children. Like I said, I don't want this like to become a thing, but because my wife would kill me if I got a whole bunch of shit. And this is really good. This is like, just got home from work. Hits the spot. So thank you. He did not expect me to do this, and I didn't expect to do this, but you know, it is what it is. And a bunch of cool random shit, and mostly we get the fucking beer. All right, well, this is 7 minutes of your life you'll never get back. That does not feel safe. Holy fuck, this is... Of course, this is the one I sharpened here. I need to get the scabbard for this. I don't want to cut the man off himself, but yeah, it could be better. It's my life.